In this quick demo, I'll show you how to send a document for e-signing using Sign Made Easy. Before we get started, make sure Sign Made Easy is installed and configured in your Salesforce org. If it's not set up yet, you can refer to our separate demo on how to install and configure Sign Made Easy. Now, let's jump into Salesforce. From the App Launcher, navigate to Opportunities. Before doing this, ensure that the required records are already available. Once you're in Opportunities, open the record for which you want to send the document. On the record page, look at the upper right corner. You'll see the Sign Doc button that was created during setup. Go ahead and click on it to send the document for e-signing. Once the document is sent, the recipient receives an email with a secure link to view the document. From the recipient's side, they simply open the link and scroll through the document. When they reach the signature field, they click on it, choose their preferred signature style, and then click Complete Sign. And that's it. The document is now successfully signed. Thanks for watching.